In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect domain to Google Sites. Before you begin, make sure your Google site is ready and that you have access to your domain registrar, which is the service where you purchased your domain. You will need to update DNS settings there, so have your login ready. Also keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully update across the internet, so if everything does not work instantly, that is normal. Start by opening your Google site in edit mode. Look to the top right corner for the settings icon that looks like a gear, and select it. In the settings panel, find the option for custom domains, then choose the option to connect a domain. This is where Google Sites will guide you through linking your website to a custom address. Next, you will be asked to select a domain source. If your domain is managed through Google Domains or connected through a Workspace account, choose the appropriate option. Then enter your domain name in the field provided. Be sure to type the domain correctly, without extra spaces, and follow the format requested on the screen. After you enter the domain, click Next to continue. Now you will see DNS instructions. This part is important. Google will provide one or more records you must add at your domain registrar, usually a CNAME record, and sometimes a TXT record for verification. Open a new tab, go to your domain registrar, and locate the DNS management area. Add the records exactly as shown, including the host or name field, the value or target field, and any required punctuation. If a TTL option appears, the default is usually fine. After saving the DNS changes, return to Google Sites and follow the on-screen prompts to verify. If verification does not succeed right away, wait a few minutes and try again, since DNS updates can take time to propagate. Once Google confirms the domain connection is complete, you are done with setup. Finally, go back to your site and click Publish, so your changes go live on your custom domain. That covers everything you need to know.